Hello, all my little cotton buds. How you all doing out there? Hope you're doing well. This is a custom order by a guy I met yesterday at the Isoomina, and I was on my little Christmas table and this guy came along. He said his friend found this on a trail in the good old US of A. That's a $1 coin. Quite pretty. 2000. So, Alex, here we go, man. I'm going to use a 3/8 punch, and hopefully you get more coin. It'd be quite a wide band, but and you want a size T, which is quite big anyway, so I'm using the middle punch. Here we go. Let's go to Big Bertha. Let's see what she's going to do for us. Is she wet tonight? Yeah, there's a little drip there. Right, let's wipe her off. Yeah, so another day on the market. Well, it's not a market, it's a shopping mall. I've got a little table there. Today weren't bad. It weren't brilliant, but it weren't bad. It was okay. I've had better days, I've had worse days. And I never moan. Because moaning, you still get the same whether you moan or not. So why moan? I've got the hiccups. I'm just in. I haven't had a cup of tea yet. So Alex, this is your fault. I haven't had a cup of tea, mate. But I'd rather get it done now. Oh, Father Christmas just fell over. You naughty boy. Okay. And there's my deburring tool. There it is. A bloody glass everywhere. I just want to clean up that inside edge. Make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. So Alex, I hope you subscribe to this channel now I'm doing this ring for you. If you don't subscribe, I'm not giving you your ring. No. Oh, am I joking? I don't know. Well, I've done the draw this morning, and I forgot who won now, but it's on the video a bit more. And I'll make that ring for you during the Christmas sort of holidays. I just need your ring size, man. You can get that from a jeweller's. No bits of string, no bits of tape. Go to a jeweller's. All right, that's nice. So now we want to warm it up with Bernie the fire starter. Lighter would be good. Is there a lighter in the house? See, this is what you get when you're organised like me. Right. I'll go get me lighter. Can't find my bloody lighter. Just one on the kitchen table. How's it coming, boys and girls? How's it coming? Sorry about that. But you know what I'm like. Stop mucking about. See, this is when you try to do too much. I don't know where anything is anymore. heat that up. I don't know where my nippers are. So use the file, why not? This is called annealing. Okie dokie. That's probably the end of that file. But hey, needs must. Right, let's dry it off. So, I presume well, there's not a great deal there. You've got the date and Liberty, but I'd say, I should have asked you, Alex, but I'd say this has got to be the sunny side up on the ring, don't you? You've got some stars here, some bits of wings. So that's what I'm going to do. So that goes face down in the die. You're still going to have the date because I use kitchen roll and spike, so you don't lose the detail on the inside of the ring. Now go over to big red, big bad red. Oh yeah, that's nice. Ooh la la, chica panita. Right. Just want to clean up that inside edge. God knows where Sandy went, but I use a nail file, emery board. In England these are called emery boards. I don't know what they're called in the States or Finland. There you go. Right, bit of kitchen more, and off we go to Spike. And he wants a size T, which is a fair size. Please don't. This is why I'm not too struck on taking people's coins, because you never know. That French one split the other couple of days ago, but this is quite soft. I did tell him there's a very, 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 very slight chance it could split. What are we looking at now? A bit further. I might break it out a bit more. The old. Did I take it over to Spike? I don't know if I did. Yeah, the kitchen roll just protects the inside. It's still looking rather sexy. Right, that's nearly a T, but I want to go quite a bit further. Let's show a bit more love with Bernie. I use the file. Ah, here they are. I've got so much glass on this table, you wouldn't believe it. Because as you work the coin, it re-hardens, so you have to anneal it again. Some coins I have to do this about 3 or 4 times. See, that flame has now changed. That's enough. Okay. Right. Let's give it a few more pumps. I think you're lucky, Alex. Your ring's not going to split. I doubt if you want a split ring on a Sunday night, do you? That's the way I tell them. Right. Yeah, okay. Now, you want to go to the bottom end of Spike. And I like to use, if I can, these dies still. I don't know why, but I do like using them. But it looks like I can't use it. Okay, let's go. The coconut oil. Ouch, just put my hand on Bernie. Lovely. Make sure it's square and a round thing. You just want to straighten them walls up. What size we got? That is now an S. But we need to cut out that lip on the inside, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. And you get a false sizing. Right. I was boiling in. I had the kiln on all day. It's off now, but the room is so hot. 820 degrees for the glass. Of course, we shut the window because it's bloody. It's snowing and raining. Focus, there's still a bit in there. Focus, you bugger. What's wrong with this thing, man? Why is it mucking me around? Quite a big lip in this coin. So you don't lose any of that part of the... I mean, this isn't reeded, it's milled. You're just doing it inside. It seems more drastic than it is. Oh, we're nearly there. I think we're just about there. I think there's a little bit more to come out. What size we got now? See, as you cut it away, you're cutting that lip out. That is a size T. Yeah. And you always measure from the reeded side of the coin, because that's the thickest part of the coin. Got a little bit big again. There you go, Alex. Maybe a touch more. God, focus, you bugger. There you go, Al. Size T. No, I'm being a right twat. T's a bit further down. God, you stupid boy. Right, let's give it a couple of puffs on I nearly cocked things up there for you, Al. It might have been a bit too small. Touch more. The slightest amount of pressure can make such a big difference. There you go, mate. Size T. Right, let's break out Sandy, Dave the Dremel. This is like Quad Zero steel wool. It doesn't scratch it. It just gets the fire scale off. Oh shit, man! Oh, there you go. Ouch. There you go, Alex. $1. The United States of America. Quite a big lip there, but that's, you know, it is what it is. My girlfriend will clean this up. We'll put it in acetone to get all the crap off it, and I'll clear coat it in the I'll clear coat it for you in the morning, which will be Monday morning. And you'll probably be watching this video Monday evening, because it won't be posted till then. And you can come and get it Wednesday. Hope you're happy with it, mate. It's a nice ring. Okay, mate. And to all my subscribers, if you've just subscribed, thank you very much. And have a good week. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Oh, forgot. How can you forget that? Take it easy. Bye-bye.